how to use Facebook for dating. Hi guys, welcome back to another episode. In today's video, I'll be showing you the ways to use Facebook for dating. So in order to use Facebook for dating, first thing first, you need to make sure that your application is completely up to date. And after that, go ahead and open up your Facebook account. Now to start with, you need to tap, once you're logged in, you'll need to go ahead and tap the menu bar from the right hand side corner. In the all shortcuts section, look for the dating. If you don't see it, scroll down and tap see more. After you've done that, you'll be able to see the dating icon. All you have to do is just tap on it and get started with it. However, if you're unable to find the particular icon, then it means you no longer have access to dating. It's limited because you are not 18 above, or else the particular feature is not available on your country, or in this way you can use Facebook dating. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.